If you are someone who follows the business news regularly and you are looking for the credible sources, then this video is for you, because in this video I am going to give you the 10 best financial news websites. So keep watching. The first one is the street.com. You can follow the stock market today on this website. In addition to that, you can also find out the stock trading analysis, the market data and the business ideas on this website. The next one is the Forbes.com, and this is the most reliable and the credible financial news websites. Here you can read about the business, the leadership, the money, real estate, shopping and all other things which you can see over here. The next financial website is the marketwatch.com. Here, in addition to that, you can also find the contents about the markets, both the US, European, Asian and all the other regions. You can also get the investing ideas, and you can also read about the financial personal finances and the retirement plans. This is all you can find out in this website. The next website which I am recommending to you for the business news is the Wall Street Journal. It is a fairly popular website and a newspaper. It will give you the latest news and breaking news headlines from the US market. Additionally, you can also read about the politics, economy, business, technology, the market trends and the real estate business. The next financial website is the Bloomberg. It is again a fairly popular website. They also have a news channel, and they will deliver the latest market news from across the world, both on their website in the form of a text as well as in the form of the videos. So that's an additional advantage. If you want to follow the business or the financial news, you must read this website, that is the Bloomberg. The next website is the Reuters.com, where you can follow the business news across the world. It will deliver you the breaking news, especially onto the business and the financial sector. You can also read about the technology, lifestyle. Right now, the website which I have opened is the international edition. They also have a picture and a video section where you can find out the relevant pictures and videos about the news that are breaking across the world. Investopedia.com is a website. If you are into the business and the financial sector, it is not possible that you haven't heard this Investopedia website. Any term which you will search regarding the business or the financial sector, the first result on the Google is most likely would be from this Investopedia. So they have a rich content about almost every subject onto the business and the financial news. If you are new into the financial sector, then this website would be extremely helpful for you, as its name suggests that it is complete encyclopedia about the investment, about the market and the financial and business news. So you need to bookmark this website and you need to visit this website on daily basis. The next website is the fortune.com, and you must have read somewhere on the internet or watch a video on the YouTube such as Fortune 40 under 40 or the Fortune 500. So this is that website which gives those ranking or rating, and it is again a very credible source to follow on to the business news and the financial sector. Here you can read about the financial news across the world. The Economist.com again is a fairly popular name in the financial news sector. They publish the magazines, they have the YouTube channel and they have this website. So you can follow them on their YouTube. You can subscribe to their weekly edition, that is the news magazine, and you can also read the detailed insight into the news onto the business and the financial sector on this website. The last website which I want to recommend is the ft.com or financialtimes.com. This is again a fairly credible name in the financial sector. It delivers the detailed insight into the stories that are breaking across the globe in the business field or in the business sector. Here they have a separate section for the world, for the US, and they also have the separate pages for the technology, market trend and analysis, and you can read about the opinions and the personal finance and investing tips are also you can find out here. So these were the 10 financial news websites. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.